Conrad Osaka sits on the top floors of the Nakanoshima Festival Tower West, on Nakanoshima Island, right between the Dojima and Tosabori rivers. The island itself is peaceful with science, ceramics, and art museums, all within close reach. The area also has Nakanoshima Park with its 3,700 rose bushes that bloom in May and October, and historic government buildings. Conrad Osaka has 3 train stations, all within a 10-minute walk. Watanabebashi Station on the Keihan Nakanoshima line is directly connected to the hotel, while Higobashi and Yoroyobashi stations are a 5 to 10-minute walk and can take you to the popular tourist spots such as Umeda to the north and Shinsaibashi, Amerikamura, Dotonbori, and Namba to the south in only a few stops. The Nakanoshima Festival West Tower, a complex also housing an art museum, concert hall, and various shopping and dining establishments, was completed in 2017. It was designed by Nikon Space Design and Yukio Hashimoto and integrates elements of nature, such as wind and light, into its architecture and interior design. The floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the 2 rivers below make for stunning backdrops to a beautifully crafted hotel, as you can see in these pictures. Honestly, guys, these pictures don't actually do the hotel justice. You can't describe how beautiful the view is without being there to see it. Hello everyone. After a lovely day wandering around all the tourist areas in Osaka, we've come back to the hotel, to the Conrad Osaka, and we found out that we've actually been upgraded to an executive room. It's kind of a junior suite, so 3503, and it's kind of huge. Really lovely. So as you come in, here is your little area for your luggage, the walk-in. You come in, there's a lovely piece of lit up art here, and there's a lot of space. This happens to be a corner. That's the bed area, and that's Andy taking some of the views because it's gorgeous, let's face it. And we could do yoga in here. And here's the side, so you have all of your stuff here. You got a little desk over there, a place to sit. We have our Nespresso machine. Oh, and this is different. Look, we have the Virtuo pods, hun. These are larger coffees for the Americans they know are coming here, and probably the Chinese who are coming here too. Every place else, and we do have a milk frother too, which makes me wonder if we have milk in here that we can use, and the answer is no. That's kind of strange. But hey, we have a little snack drawer there. We have your ice, your water heater, your tea set. More sort of nice lighting there. Your TV, which probably turns both ways, I'm guessing. This is a lovely, lovely room. I am impressed already. I'm trading with Andy here and coming in here, and we have 2 lovely basins. They choose exquisite basins. This is one of the things I love at the Conrad Tokyo as well. You got your Dyson hairdryer. Just lovely decor. It's very soft always in these, but I like it. You have your round bathtub with your rain shower and your shower. So you got your total wet room. That's big as anything. And then you have over here in the corner kind of a tiny area for the bathroom, or for the toilet, but big enough. Does not open on its own. That surprises me here. But okay, still has the washlet and everything. And then we are back around to this side where the luggage is sort of against the door, so I can't open it all the way, but it does go through from both sides. So as you can see here, you can get through from the bathroom to the front. We're not going to want to leave here. This is absolutely lovely. I can't say anything bad about this. And, oh, Diamond Sake Brewery. Special sake selected for Conrad Osaka guests. Well, that's just lovely. Look at that. They've given us a little mini bottle of sake and a sake set to drink it out of. Oh, that's great. Let's come take a look at the view. Oh, and it is a view of the river. This is absolutely spectacular. I don't think they could have given us a better room. We do have a view of the Four Seasons. That's probably the only way this could have gotten better. And even then, I'm not sure. We can even see the traffic. Wow, this is lovely. Are you thrilled? We can see 2 bodies of water and the hills.
This is up there with one of the best rooms.
And of course, we were welcomed by a Sakura-themed bear and a clear ducky with a key as souvenirs of our stay. I will say this. In the Conrad Tokyo, we were upgraded to a suite once for 2 days, and that was pretty good, but it wasn't this big. This is a bigger room, and it's on a corner, and it's on the good corner.
Yeah.
Astounded and so happy.
Oh, I could look out that view all day.
Oh, we will. I might get my other camera out and set it up on time lapse.
Yeah, good idea.
All right. Well, we're going to go up to the club because it's about that time, and we will see you later. We're here in the executive lounge at the Conrad Osaka. Let me show you the view. It is stunning. And they've got a few drinks. I'm dropping my phone. They've got a few drinks for us while we wait. Just a little bit of Coke and some green tea. We checked in at the club lounge, a much more relaxing affair than the reception desk, and the vibe was light and airy with nice afternoon teas and some soft drinks. The vibe in the evening changed to a dark elegance that felt very upscale and Japanese chic. So here we are at the Conrad Osaka. We were told that it's even better than the Conrad Tokyo, and I think that might be the case. What do you think, honey? Can really get us in there. Cheers. As you can see, the club lounge selections were plentiful with various wines, sakes, whiskeys, beer, main dishes, salads, and cakes to choose from. Once again, they didn't let Andy down and insisted on providing him with purpose-cooked club lounge meals to ensure they were gluten-free. As for me, I had one of the best petit four I've tasted in my life in this lounge. I wish I lived there so I could order some more from time to time. We're here at Atmos Dining for our breakfast, and it is looking good. The room is beautiful, and the view even more beautiful. This is Okonomiyaki Benedict. Matcha latte, regular latte. This was a March visit, and much to our surprise, the last morning as we were about to head down to Hiroshima, heavy snow started to fall. It sure was beautiful with the Ferris wheel backdrop through the huge windows, though. Sadly, it's time to say goodbye to this lovely room.
Don't make me go.
Andy's back here being sad. It is truly a stunningly beautiful room, even if it looks a little lived in now. Would we come back here again if we could? Yes. Is it convenient to the trains? Not overly. It's on a Keihan line. So if you don't want to do a lot of walking, you got to transfer at Nishu Umeda Station. But, you know, could be worse. All right. Goodbye, beautiful hotel. We're going to miss you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.